Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll give you a complete overview of the ports and buttons on the REALME GT8 Pro phone. Start by looking at the very bottom of our device. Let's turn it over this way. On the far left side we can see the SIM card slot. By inserting the pin here we can open it and insert the SIM card. Be careful not to insert the pin into the other opening, as that's where the microphone is located. Inserting something sharp that could damage the microphone or compromise water resistance. In the middle we have the USB Type-C port, which is USB 2.0, but it supports quick charge at up to 120 W. We can charge the device rapidly and also transfer files through this port to a computer or other device. Next, we can see the antenna line here. There's also another microphone here, and the two elongated rectangular openings are the speaker. Turning the phone upside down, on the left side of the top edge there's an integrated antenna. In the same symmetrical spot there's a second antenna. Next to it we have two speakers separated by a line, so one speaker at the top and one at the bottom. Here we have two holes, but one of them isn't actually a hole, it's an infrared diode. Thanks to this, we can add a universal remote control to our phone and use it to manage our TV, air conditioner, or other devices. You can set up the remote using the built-in system app. You no longer need physical remotes or worry about dead batteries, just charge your phone. Next to it, there's a microphone used for noise reduction. It captures wind, traffic, or crowd sounds and sends out a signal to reduce that noise. Thanks to this technology, our voice remains clear even in noisy environments. Moving to the right edge, we find an antenna. Between them are the volume up, volume down, and power buttons. We also have the internal antenna. These side buttons control the recovery mode, volume buttons move up and down, and the power button confirms selections. On the other side, there are no buttons, just two antennas. At the bottom, there are European Union markings like CE and the crossed-out trash bin symbol. If this video was helpful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. That's all for me. Goodbye.